is all about why vocabulary is important to score well on PTE exam. So to start with, lexical resources or vocabulary plays a major role in acing exams like PTE and IELTS. There are a lot of reasons why improving your vocabulary is necessary to crack the exam, and here are some. Starting with the first point, enhances overall language proficiency. So firstly, learning from this PTE reading vocabulary list will help you get better in all the sections of PTE test, and it is true that you can use these words while taking the writing and speaking sections as well. Moreover, you can use these words in the listening section to understand what is being said in a better way. Second point is it helps you to learn better articulation. That is, when you have more words to convey your thoughts, you express yourself in a better way. Moreover, it is one of the best outcomes of learning new words in a language. The better you are able to articulate your ideas using PTE reading vocabulary, the better impressions you leave on the people around you. Moving on to the third point, it improves the quality of conversations. See, the vocabulary building practices gradually improves your conversations. To hold a person into a conversation is basically an art, and hence one requires the correct words to do so. So, if you maintain good and interesting conversations using the PTE vocabulary list, you will become a networking champion. Now the last point, it adds to your personality. See, lastly, learning new words adds to your persona and makes you appear as a well-articulated person. Moreover, having a good vocabulary also helps you build confidence while speaking to locals. In addition, you can assure to present yourself with your words better even in places where people can't see you. So these are a few advantages of learning lexical resources from PTE reading vocabulary list. And I hope this video helps, and for more such informational content, stay tuned to Neethus Academy.
Neethus Academy, India's #1 language academy.